We'll guide you through how to resize a video for YouTube Shorts. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For this guide, we're going to be using a free online video editor called CapCut. Now you can go and get CapCut on your phone and on your computer as an application as well, but in this case, we'll just click on Edit Video Online. Then what you can do is go and sign in. I'll go and do that now. Once you've signed in, you now need to go and upload the video which you wish to go and resize. I'm now uploading it just now. It won't take too long. The advantage of downloading the app on your computer though means you don't have to go and upload stuff. But here it is. And now what we need to do is go and set our project to basically it's 9 by 16. At the moment it's 16 by 9. So we need to make it vertical. To do that, just come to the top left and click on ratio. And then you want to go and select 9 by 16. As you can see, it says TikTok there. Click on it and it'll then go and resize it. And then what we need to do is go and adjust the video because otherwise we've got these black bars. So you could leave it there if you want the black bars, but personally I don't want them. So I'll go and click on one of the sort of anchor points in this video in the corner and I'll then go and resize it. Or alternatively, when you hover over it, go and click on the fill button and it'll then go and resize it. And you can then move it across so it fits it perfectly. Then what I can do is go and play it back, and that's exactly how I want it to go and be. Now that we've gone and resized it, you can then go and make some edits. For example, if you want to go and split apart, then just go and place the cursor and then hover over it and you can press split. And then let's say I wish to go and remove this middle section here. I'll hover over it again, press split. I'll select the part I wish to delete and then I can press delete. It's super straightforward. And just remember, for this to be a YouTube short, it'll need to be less than 60 seconds. So you may need to go make some trims and splits to make that happen. And then what you can do is come over to the left and you've got a load of different stuff you can use as well. You've got elements, audio, text, captions, effects, transitions. There's a lot of different things you can use this for. But for now, I'm going to go and export this. So I'll click on export in the top right. And then what you can do is you can actually upload it straight to YouTube Shorts from here. If you download it to your computer and then re-upload it, you get a few more options when uploading it. So personally, I'll do that. You could go and set the name. So I'll just name it example. Then you can change the resolution, the frame rate and the format, but all of that is fine with me. So I'll click on export. It's now exported and I can click on download and it should then download like so. Here we are in my downloads and here is the short here. And then what you can do is go and upload this to YouTube. It's that simple. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.